How to access sports channels during YouTube TV free trial. Step number 1, sign up for the YouTube TV free trial. Visit the YouTube TV website. Click Try It Free and follow the sign up process. Sign in with your Google account or create a new one. Provide payment information to activate the free trial. Step number 2, check available sports channels. During the sign up process, review the channel lineup in your region. YouTube TV typically includes sports channels such as ESPN, Fox Sports, CBS Sports Network, NBC Sports, Big Ten Network, and CSC Network. Step number 3, access live sports events. Open the YouTube TV app on your device or use the web interface. Navigate to the Live tab to see all currently airing programs. Scroll through the channel list to find sports channels and events. Step number 4, use the search function. Type specific sports or events into the search bar, such as NBA, NFL, MLB, or live soccer. Select the program or game to watch live or on demand. Step number 5, record games using DVR. Take advantage of YouTube's unlimited DVR storage to record live sports events. Access recorded games later in the Library tab for on-demand viewing. Step number 6, add Sports Plus add-on. This is optional. If you want more coverage, navigate to Settings, Membership to add the Sports Plus add-on, which includes NFL Red Zone, Fox Soccer Plus, Gold TV, and MAV TV Motorsports Network. Step number 7, explore regional sports networks. Depending on your location, YouTube TV may include RSNs like NBC Sports Regional or Fox Sports Regional channels. Check your channel lineup by entering your zip code during the sign-up process. Step number 8, monitor trial duration. Keep track of your free trial expiration date in Settings Membership to avoid unexpected charges.